Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Shepard and this is my wife.
Yasha.
So today we're going to be talking about applying for a child's visa.
Visa or BRP, a child born in the UK.
So what happens in Scotland is when you have a baby, the baby doesn't become a citizen automatically. The baby has to stay in Scotland for like 7 years. NHS will cover for the medical bills for only 3 months. After that, you have to pay for all the medical bills for your baby. Unless if you apply for the baby's BRP or visa, that's when the NHS will be covering for the medical bills. And that's what we did. Today, we're going to be showing you the whole process of applying for the baby's BRP.
Yes, you've said everything. So
all right, so now we're just going to be showing you on the screen. Okay, so you go to the gov.uk website, just search visa application, and now Maya is making some noise.
Maya,
you go to skilled worker visa. It depends with the type of visa
that you have.
So if you have a skilled worker visa, you just go to the skilled worker visa.
Here, whoever is responsible to take Maya, or the one who is owner of the BRP. So let's just say Daddy, take Maya. Have you been to the UK in the past 10 years? Yes, because you're in the UK. How many times have you been to the UK? You just say 1. Then just say born in the UK. Responsible adult for biometrics. Mama will take Maya because Dad will be at work. Yes, 7, continue. Then just check all your answers again before you proceed to the next.
The next page.
To the next page, yeah. And you see all our details are complete. We don't want to edit anything, and we don't want to apply for anyone else, so we continue. Then, so the mandatory documents that we're supposed to provide is the birth certificate. Yes, we have it, and also a letter of consent from both parents. So we are going to write a letter of consent.
Yeah, if you want us to tell you how to write the letter of consent, just let us know in the comment section if you don't know how to write it. So we are now on the declaration page where you just confirm the email addresses. We are not going to do that because we already did this application for Maya and we already received the response.
So you just see it's straightforward when you get to that point. So after declaration, you go on to the next, which is payment. You choose the payment that you want to use, the £284 and then 7 something pounds and 1,000 something pounds for the fastest. But for us, we chose 284, which was for about a month, I think. But for us, it just took 7 days and we had the response. And then after paying, you go on to the further actions. The further actions, that's when you book for the biometrics. It's the TLS application. It's another application. You book for the biometrics. So you go on to choose the nearest location that you want. For us, we chose Glasgow.
Yeah.
Glasgow.
We have a video about that as well.
Yeah.
When we went to Glasgow. And also on the further actions, that's where you upload all your documents,
yes.
The documents that you're going to be using at the TIS contact. And I think that's it.
So for the documents, you put on baby's birth certificate. It's really important. You also put the consent letter, and then also you put both parents' passports and BRP. You can also put both parents' pay slips as proof of funds. You have to also put the COS, the certificate of sponsorship. You have to upload it, and then also upload something for proof of residence. For us, we uploaded the lease agreement, and
but you can use the bank statement.
So just try to put everything so that the application won't be denied.
Yeah, it's better to put more documents than like putting less. Or missing one important document. Another important thing is to just double check everything as you are doing the application before you move on to the next page. Just check if the spellings, everything,
especially on the names, numbers, and everything. And also for the further actions, you can choose to do it yourself or pay so that you can be assisted at the biometrics office. They can upload everything for you, but you have to pay a fee. But for us, we did everything.
Yeah, so I think that's it. That's the whole process, guys. And if you have any questions or if you want to add something, just type in there, just put it on the comment section. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much.
Until next time.
Bye.